How would you like to make an extra 100,000 a year without changing anything? Well, that money is losing value just sitting in the bank or current savings. There's a much smarter way to maximize your earnings without the constant hustle, wasting time, cost overruns, and earn more. Way more. As realtors, insurance agents, investment bankers, and property managers, you know these investors and you want to set yourself apart by providing value. How about helping them place money in an ultra safe and conservative investment that brings returns out of this world? Would they refer more business to you? Certainly. Would they love you forever? That's loyalty. Would you make more money than you do today? Absolutely. Here's how it works for the investment. The client invests in a mutually owned LLC that owns BTR, build for rent communities of single and multifamily rental units. The developer, who is vertically and horizontally integrated, builds and leases the assets. Since there is a lack of developer fees added in, the asset is built for less than 65% of the value. So at the refinance after stabilization, in as short as 6 months, 100% of your or your client's investment is cashed out and returned, along with a 12% interest bonus. But it gets better. They still own the asset alongside the developer and receive their share of the cash flow, the appreciation, debt paid down, the increased net worth, and in 5-6 years, 30% of the net profit from the exit to a fund or REIT at a much higher price. The incredible multiple estimated over a 6-year period at more than a 20x. That is a 64% ROI. They are making this kind of return due to stacking assets over and over with that same investment while building wealth. Mailbox money. So where do you make money, you ask? It is a wealth building model that stacks equity, all while the security instrument is the preferred stock in the LLC that owns the asset. And residential real estate is the safest asset class of the wealthy, and now you can buy rental property while actually accruing interest and cash flow in a model where the added value allows for the return of the capital when completed. It's a win-win-win investment than other real estate investor opportunities. Why? Greater margins means lower risk. The lower the cost to build these assets, the more margin for error, the less risk if interest rates jump up, and then higher than average returns can be shared with our investors. You send out our investment overview video, which we provide, that details the investment, the security instrument, the process and transparency of the investment, the various real estate assets that are available for investment today, and the steps to get started. You have a few text message and email scripts to shoot over to your clients, friends, family, or any investors you know or might meet. You receive 5% equity to put into a trust for your kids out of every referral for investment. This alone is a wealth building model which you have to see to understand. For example, one client invests $100,000 into 2 units. They continue to reinvest over and over, and your cash flow from your 5% doesn't seem like much at first. But in 6 years, when we sell and your client ended up with 40 different new construction rentals, he made north of $3,500,000, while you made $350,000 bonus and about $40,000 in cash flow along the way. Is that worth a couple text messages? How about 3 of your clients that invest? A $1 million windfall in 6 or 7 years doesn't sound terrible. Our model is exactly what the mutual funds, insurance groups, and Wall Street does with their conservative investments. And this opportunity is a hybrid of maximizing the security with the value add, just like you do with a flip property, then the long-term benefits of cash flow, equity growth from appreciation of assets, and stacking these assets over and over with the same investment over and over. 1. Leverage your network. Reach out to your investor list and share this exciting opportunity. 2. Set up meetings. Arrange meetings between your clients and our expert team. 3. Earn immediate income. We pay you 3% of the investment for every deal your clients fund. But it doesn't stop there. Your clients can reinvest the same capital over and over, and you continue to earn commissions on each future deal. Imagine building a steady stream of income from the same investor pool, programmatically increasing your cash flow without extra effort. We offer shared webinars and meetings. Collaborate with us to educate and engage your clients. Mutual client lists. Easily track commissions and client progress. Bonus equity. Gain ownership stakes in actual assets, providing you with residual revenue and monthly cash flow. And the best part? In 5 to 7 years, when we exit these assets to an institutional buyer at a significantly higher price, you'll receive a share of the substantial profits. This could easily amount to hundreds of thousands of dollars or more. So why continue wasting time on low-yield ventures? Stop chasing after deals that drain your time and energy. Instead, partner with us to create a more profitable and sustainable future.
Ready to elevate your earnings? Contact us today to set up a meeting. Let's start making smarter moves together.